In today's video, I'm going over the best, in my opinion, online, most fulfilling, beginner-friendly business to get started in 2020 and beyond. What is going on, guys? If you're new to the channel, my name is Dane, and on this channel, I talk all about publishing, online entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Like I already said in the intro, today's video is going to be all about, in my opinion, the best online business that is legit, fulfilling, and beginner-friendly for people to get started with in 2020 and beyond. So you're probably wondering like what this business is. I'm going to tell you right now, it is self-publishing books on Amazon and Audible. In my opinion, it's been the best business that I've ever got into when it comes to making money online. I started with all the other businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, all these different things. And none of them really worked for me until I discovered publishing books through Amazon. And that has been, it's been the best online business for me personally. It just suits me the best. It's super beginner friendly. So I did go with it right away compared to all the other business models. And just to give you some context, over the past few months, these are my royalties. So the amount of money I've made off of publishing, put them on screen here. You can take a look at the red circles. That's where the royalty is. But to put things in perspective, over the past few months in profit, not just revenue, I've consistently made over like about 4 months now in a row. I've made $10,000 profit Canadian from my publishing business. So just to give you an idea of how much money you can make with publishing, you can make just as much as any of those other online things or more. And the opportunity right now is so great that like not very many people know about publishing in comparison to like dropshipping and affiliate marketing, all those things. So what I want to talk about today is basically, I already told you my background on publishing, but I want to get into how you can get started with publishing and the steps that you need to take that are completely free. This video is going to cost you absolutely nothing. Like you don't have to buy anything in order to get started with publishing. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's dive into my screen. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with publishing books on Amazon right now. Okay, it's completely free. I'm not going to charge you anything. Obviously, it's a YouTube video. I can't charge you anything. But to get started with it, it's not going to cost you anything in order to get into the business model. Obviously, once you start learning about how to make your books and stuff, you're going to have to invest in getting your first books made. But what I'm going to teach you and how to get into it is completely free. So let's dive right into this. So what I'm going to be talking about today is my online program that I've created. And like I said, it's completely free for you to get into. And it's not just like a webinar or something that's going to tease you. It's a full-on program that's going to show you from A to Z. It's going to walk you through the entire process of publishing books. And it's completely free as of right now. I'm going to charge for this in the future, just to be completely transparent. But right now, this program is completely free, and it is released right now for you to get into. There's gonna be a link down in the description for you to join this program. It's a full-on course on Teachable, and there's a Facebook group and everything like that. But anyways, let's get into what the program consists of and who it's for and what I intend on doing with it. So let's take a look. We're doing the deep dive on Publisher Startup, which is the program. But first, why self-publishing? So why this business model out of all the other ones? So first things first, it is very beginner friendly and it doesn't require a huge initial investment like the other ones might. I know that you can get started with dropshipping for virtually nothing, but something like Amazon FBA, you got to invest a lot of money in. Publishing, you don't have to invest as much to get started. It can be part-time or full-time, which is amazing about it. You can put all of your time into it and make full-time income, or you can go part-time and still make part-time income with publishing. It's totally up to you. And Amazon deals with a lot of the dirty work, and you can see that's in quotations there. Dirty work, I mean like shipping them, printing the books. They do that all at their facility. They deal with angry customers and stuff like that. And it's new, it's fresh, and that's compared to like other online businesses like I've already mentioned. Getting into publishing is, it's a very fresh new business model. Even though it's been around forever, lots of people know about it, but not nearly as many people know about publishing as they do affiliate marketing and dropshipping. And finally, it is very compoundable over time. Like I can't stress this point enough. When you make a book, it's on Amazon forever, and the more books you make, the bigger your portfolio gets, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing over time. So Publisher Startup from a bird's eye point of view. So let's look at the entire program. So before I get into this slide, there are 8 different phases in the course, which I'm going to outline right now. So phase 0 is the introduction phase. Phase 1 is building your foundation. So everything to do with building your publishing business foundation and getting started with the business model. Phase 2 is all about the different processes and strategy and just outlining all the different strategies that I use to make that kind of money like you saw at the beginning in those screenshots off of my publishing business. Phase 3 is called the waiting game. And that's mainly because the waiting game is basically when you're waiting for your book to be written. So there's a bunch of different things that we can do to contribute to our business in order to future-proof us for the future. Phase 4 is going to be putting everything together. So at this point, we've gotten our book back and we're making the book, we're making our ebook, our paperback version and everything. So I'm teaching you how to do that. And one thing I didn't mention is that all of these phases have about 4 or 5 videos within them that are going to run you through the entire process of publishing. And like I said, completely free. Phase 5 is called the book launch because this is when we're going to launch our book onto Amazon and actually get it live and for sale. Phase 6 is when I'm going to teach you all about running Amazon ads to your book. And really, this is when the fun begins. This is when you start to see money come in from your book and start earning royalties. And then a bonus phase is phase 7, where I'm going to teach you how to take your publishing business from 1K to 10K per month. I'm going to give you an entire outline of how to do it. And that's a special phase. It's definitely something that I look forward for people to going through. And it's going to open your eyes to what the possibilities are with publishing. So you're probably wondering, now that I've given you an outline, what is this program? Like, why? What is it? It's a 100% free online self-publishing program, like I've already said. It has over 11 hours of content organized into 8 phases, like I just talked about. It teaches you how to self-publish your very first book onto Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So that's the program that we use to publish our books onto Amazon. It's called Amazon KDP for short. It's going to teach you how to get your first book onto there. Then obviously once you get your first book on, you can repeat the process and make more and more books. It also has a very active, engaging, and supportive Facebook community to top everything off. So not only that, but this program is going to hold your hand through the basics to nonfiction self-publishing business model, finding profitable publishing surface level niches, sub-level niches, and keywords, future-proofing your self-published books for success with killer titles, outlines, covers, funnels, and book descriptions, hiring a top-tier writer for your book, launching your book for maximum success, and running successful ROI-focused Amazon ads to secure long-term profitability with your business. So those things that I just listed are basically everything that each phase in the program covers. So that's what you can expect to learn from Publisher Startup for 100% free right now. That's what the cost is. It's free to get into this. I'm going to be charging for it in the future, obviously, because it's worth a lot more than the $0 price tag that it is right now. But to get things started, I want to build that community and really give people the opportunity to get into this business model for free. So who is it for? Someone who is looking to add a consistent part-time or full-time income to their life, is hardworking, focused, and detail-oriented, has a long-term investment-driven vision of success. This is very important. If you're impatient and you're not willing to invest your time or your money into something, it's never going to work. And also, it's for someone who has a little bit of money saved up to invest in a proven business model. And also someone who is tired of failing with the other online business models like I was before I discovered publishing. This is not for someone who is looking to get rich quick or make money with a tap of a few buttons. Like that is not what publishing is. It's all about hard work. But like I said, you can do this part-time. You can do this full-time. It's really, it's so flexible. That's why it's such a great business model to get into. So you're probably wondering, this course is free. Why is there so much content that you're offering for free? What's the catch? There's no catch. I'm serious. There's no catch at all. My primary goal is to build a solid self-publishing community where like-minded people can build off of each other's success and experience. Keep in mind, this program will be 100% free for a limited time, like I've already mentioned. So I'm planning maybe 2-3 months now. I'll definitely be charging for this course, but right now, 100% free. If you're looking to learn everything there is to getting started with self-publishing, you've found your answer. And it's totally not a lie. Like everything that you need to know to get into self-publishing is in this course. I literally have held nothing back when it comes to being a beginner and wanting to get into this business model. One thing I do want to mention though, if you think there's some kind of catch, there's no catch, but I do want to mention I'll earn money from the affiliate links that you'll find within the course. I just want to be completely transparent with you. There are affiliate links in there at no cost to you. I'm going to earn money off of you like clicking those links and using the services that those links take you to. I just want to be completely transparent, and I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with affiliate links and how they work. So what's the bottom line when it comes to this program, Publisher Startup? What is the bottom line? I get new messages from people on a weekly basis. How can I start publishing? I saw your videos on YouTube. Can you teach me how to publish? What is the best way for a beginner to start publishing books? Hey, could you mentor me? So I get these questions quite often, whether it be on Instagram, email, Facebook, whatever. I get these questions all the time. So I still get them today, but before I even decided to make this course, I was getting these questions because of my YouTube videos. And I just want to explain why I'm actually making this course. And it's to do with a lot of these things. So a few months ago, I helped a few of my friends and people messaging me get their publishing businesses started. A couple of them are already making money. So a lot of my friends that I've taught how to publish, my strategies and strategies that I've learned from mentors like the Mickelson twins and people like that, applying those strategies to their business has already started to make them money. And this ultimately led me to the decision to make this training program and build a community of new publishers. So Publisher Startup was born based off of those questions that I always get and all these things. Like I kind of learned when I was telling people my strategies that I guess they work, and I can tell other people and help them with these strategies as well. So I noticed many of these people messaging me, so the ones I was talking about before, had one thing in common, and they were extremely, extremely overwhelmed. There's just way too many publishing routes for a beginner to take with the publishing business model. And it is very true. There's so many different ways you can get into self-publishing. It can be very overwhelming. So you not really know where you can start and what's going to be the best option for you. So that's why I've purposely made Publisher Startup a clear step-by-step program for beginners, like with a beginner in mind, that teaches everything you need to know from A to Z to get your first book published onto Amazon and start making money with publishing, just the same way that I did it. So you're getting unlimited access to everything you need to know. I could easily sell this program for upwards of like literally $1,000. Like it's a full-on program with a Facebook group, resources everywhere, tons of lessons. I spent 2 months making this thing. So instead, I've chosen not to, so beginners can get into the business model and not have to worry about a huge initial investment like the course payment. So right now, that's just what I'm worried about. I want to get people in there and start learning. Like I said, I'm going to charge not $1,000 for it in the future, but a little bit more than free. But one thing, it's just one thing less to worry about, so you can put all of your focus into excelling with publishing. So this is what you're getting within Publisher Startup. You're getting 41 training videos to take you from a total beginner to top-notch self-publisher. You're getting 30 resources, which includes tracking sheets, plug-and-play templates, checklists, worksheets, and these are all going to help you skyrocket your self-publishing business. I've made these all for this course specifically. And finally, you're getting access to the Publisher Startup Facebook group, which is set up for all students in this program to network, get to know each other, and ask questions to the community and myself directly. So I've put values on each of these. Like honestly, 41 training videos took me 2 months to make them. They're all at least 10 minutes long. At least $1,000 that's valued at. The resources, at least $500. I could probably value them a little bit more than that, but just to be conservative, at least $500. And then the Facebook group, which can prove to be invaluable. There's so many people with experience in there, can help you with your questions. You can ask all these questions and get them answered right away. But I'll say it's $300. So that is a $1,791 value that you're getting with Publisher Startup. And you're getting all this 100% free. And I say right there, as of June 2020, because right now I said for the first few months, it's going to be 100% free. You're getting all of that for free. If you're watching this a few months down the road, it might come at a cost, but it's nowhere near what that valued amount is. It's going to be a lot less than that. But right now, it's completely free. So if you're wanting to get into self-publishing, this is your opportunity. Nothing like this is perfect for you if you want to get into self-publishing without having to spend too much money. It's going to walk you A to Z through the entire process of publishing your first book. So down below in the description of this video, you can sign up and you can get into Publisher Startup for free. You'll get instant access to the Teachable backend, where it holds the entire course with all the different modules I talked about. I'm going to show you it in just a sec here. But right now, 100% free. Click the link in the description, and that will take you right to the page where you can enroll for the course for free. So let's quickly look at what you're going to get when you enroll. Okay, so we are in the back end now. We are in Teachable. This is the course. This is what you're going to get when you enroll in Publisher Startup. You can see there's a welcome section here where I have a couple of videos. And then below that is the introduction, like I said. So there's 5 videos in there. Building your foundation, phase 1, 5 videos in there. Phase 2, all of the videos are in there. And below each of these videos, if you click into one of them, you'll see all the resources listed below that apply to that lesson. Phase 3, phase 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 isn't, I haven't posted it yet. I'm going to post it very soon, like right after this video, probably. So it's ready to go for once Publisher Startup is live. And the last one here is the resources section. This actually covers all of the different resources that are included in the entire lesson or entire course. So to give you an idea of how many there are, you can see this list is very extensive and you're getting all that stuff for 100% free. So today is the official launch day. The course is live. Sign up below. The link is down there. You can enroll in the course for 100% free. Like I said, it's not going to be free forever. So make sure you get in there for free right now. Secure your space. Even if you're in there for free and I start charging for it in the future, I'm not going to charge you. You're in there, secured your spot. All these early people like you are going to enjoy the entire course for free for lifetime access. So if you want to get started with self-publishing, which I think is the most legit online beginner-friendly business to get into for 2020 and beyond, click the link below, get started with your publishing journey. And I'm just super excited to get this thing live. It's live now. And start seeing people roll through it and start to get results. So if you haven't already, click the link below, get in there, and I will see you in the back end and in the Facebook group for Publisher Startup. Other than that though, this video is effectively over. Publisher Startup is live. Took me a while to make. Now there's other projects I got to work on, but I'm gonna keep my focus in Publisher Startup, helping people in the Facebook group and stuff like that. Like I said though, if you're interested and you like the videos that I make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in Publisher Startup and the Facebook group. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.